Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace the sky in your video using Capcut PC application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Capcut application and I'm going to replace the sky in this video. I'm going to use cinematic sky for my video. If you want to do that, first thing first, you need to download a cinematic sky footage from the internet. And as you can see, I have downloaded a galaxy footage. I'm going to use this footage to replace the sky in my video. And I'm going to add this footage to my timeline. And I'm going to overlay it like this. Okay. And then we can click on the second footage. Then go to the mask option. We're going to use mask to replace the sky. And you can adjust the position like this until it looks natural. And you can drag this little arrow, drag it up. Wait, I'm going to drag this line as well. Okay, then you can go to the basic and select the blend option. You can choose the type of the blend to make the sky more natural. I'm going to select darken. Okay, and this is the result guys, and let's take a look at the final result. I'm gonna play the video. Okay, this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can replace the sky in our video using Capcut PC application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.